Hey folks, I thought I would do a little recording on what a meal prep refrigerator looks like, okay? So I just got back from vacation, and I know people always are very hesitant about meal prepping because it takes some time, and it does take time. But let me just put this little nugget in your head. We arrived back in town last night, and I shopped online at the grocery store, put everything in my cart, paid for it. So all I had to do today was go drive up, pick it up, and then I got home. So that saved me time in the store, right? So that was something I could do last night. The order what came in today, and then I had today to get the stuff ready. And what I want to bring attention to is I put here labels, and it's not that I'm crazy neurotic. I actually did this because my husband asked me to do that. Because even though we've been married and he has been doing this meal prepping with me for 4 years, he still gets confused on what is a carbohydrate, what is a protein, and what is a fat. So, you know, right here, for instance, these are fruits. Any fruit, it's a carb, period, end of story. Here we have free carbs: lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, zucchini, spinach, cauliflower, broccoli. What is a free carb? Well, it's a serving that is less than 15 grams. So you can have a serving and have it not count as a carb. Some complex carbs over here. Potatoes, that's why I have them by the potatoes. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn, squash, any type of wrap. And I have my wraps down in here, high fiber wraps. Bread, that's going to be a complex carb. Any type of grain, it's going to be a carb. Then over here I have fats. So fats are next to the hummus that I have. And actually even the feta cheese, avocado, peanuts, peanut butter. So I have some nut butter back in here. Those are all going to be considered fats. And then when you look at the proteins, well, my meat's in the freezer, but it's going to be eggs and my egg whites. So I have hard-boiled eggs up on top. I have my eggs. I have my egg whites. And then down in the freezer section, all of the meats, if it's pork, if it's beef, if it's chicken, it's going to be a protein. So that's just a little tip that you guys might find helpful to you. You know, take the time, wash the fruits. If you don't have the time to go to the grocery store and then come back home and get all this ready, then maybe you want to do what I did and put a little cheat in place and have somebody do the shopping. You go pick it up, so I had more time to spend prepping all the food. So, you know, here, berries, they're washed and ready to go. I actually take my peppers and I slice them up, so that way when I'm tired at night, I don't want to cut up a pepper. My cauliflower, it's washed, and I have them cut up into steaks so I can throw them on a sheet pan. I only buy 4 potatoes because 1 potato is going to be 2 servings of a carbohydrate. So you guys, you get it all ready to go, and then it makes your life so much easier, and it makes staying on track a lot easier. So little cheats when you're getting started. Maybe put labels on things so that you can recognize what is a carbohydrate, what is a protein, what is a fat, and it'll make your life a lot easier.